Everyone is talking about inheritance tax after this.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. That's an interesting law. It says you, in your generation, made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public.
अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी। माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा।
मैं साफ कर देना चाहता हूं कि इस न्याय पत्र में विरासत कर का कोई जिक्र नहीं है। विरासत कर हमारा एजेंडा नहीं है।
And well, inheritance tax has triggered a war of words between the Congress party and BJP after the former advisor of Rajiv Gandhi and associate of Rahul Gandhi, Sam Pitroda, described it as an interesting law. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has alleged the Congress party would snatch property left behind by people for their children. So what is inheritance tax all about? Did India ever have it? And is it good or bad? Let's discuss today. Starting from what is this law? It comes from the West. The United States levies two types of taxes, estate tax and inheritance tax. 6 states in America impose inheritance tax: Iowa, Kentucky, Maryland, Nebraska, New Jersey and Pennsylvania. However, Iowa will abolish it by 2025. Now, this tax is applicable when a person who dies passes on his assets and is from any of these 6 states to an inheritor. Now, here the inheritor pays the inheritance tax, not the estate of the deceased. तो बेसिकली पर्सन जिसको इनहेरिटेंस मिल रही है वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स पे करता है। नाउ पिट्रोडा ने इसको बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है और कहा है कि $100 मिलियन की अगर आपकी वेल्थ है और आप गुजर जाते हो तो 45% इनहेरिटर के पास जाएगा और 55% गवर्नमेंट के पास।
So if let's say one has $100 million worth of wealth and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law.
Now this is what he has said, but inheritance tax rates in the US range from less than 1% to 18% of the property's value and cash that the person inherits, but they can change every year, so it is not fixed. Now these taxes are usually levied on those who don't have a family relationship with the deceased. Spouses and charitable organizations are exempt from the tax, and even children and grandchildren may qualify for an exemption or a partial exemption. Like in Pennsylvania, the tax rate is 45% on transfers to direct descendants, 12% on transfer to siblings, and 15% on transfer to others. Now, not only in the US, but it is applicable in the UK, South Korea, and Japan as well. In the UK, 40% of inheritance tax is levied on assets worth over £325,000 or 3.37 crore rupees. In Japan, it is the highest with 55% inheritance tax. In South Korea, there is 50% inheritance tax. And the classic example in South Korea was Samsung Electronics chairman when he said that he would pay 12 trillion won in inheritance tax for the estate of the late patriarch. Now talking about this, आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि इंडिया में भी ये इम्पोज किया जाता था और ये अबॉलिश किया था राजीव गांधी की गवर्नमेंट ने ही 1985 में. An estate duty was a form of tax that was calculated at the time of the person's death. It was introduced through Estate Duty Act of 1953. And it was payable only if total value of inherited portion of property exceeded the exclusion limit. In India, it was set as high as 85% on properties. So properties worth at least 1.5 lakh rupees were taxed at a rate of 7.5%. इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव वॉज टू नैरो इनकम डिस्पैरिटी, पर ये 1985 में अबॉलिश किया गया था ड्यूरिंग वीपी सिंह. जब वो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे तब उन्होंने कहा था कि एस्टेट ड्यूटी का यील्ड वाज अबाउट 20 करोड़ रुपीस और इसका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कॉस्ट वो बहुत हाई है, तो उन्होंने प्रपोज किया था कि अबॉलिश कर दिया जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज पर द 1980-81 रेगुलर बजट, ग्रॉस टैक्स रेवेन्यू फॉर 1979-80 was 11,447 crore rupees, out of which estate duty only contributed 13 crore rupees. which is merely 0.1% of the total tax revenue. अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने भी इनको क्रिटिसाइज किया है, ये कहते हुए कि राजीव गांधी के टाइम पे ही इसको अबॉलिश किया गया था. लिसन इन.
जब देश की एक प्रधानमंत्री बहन इंदिरा जी नहीं रही तो उनकी जो मिल्कत थी, उनकी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी, वो उनकी संतानों को मिलनी थी. लेकिन पहले ऐसा कानून था कि वो उनको मिलने से पहले एक हिस्सा सरकार ले लेती थी. कांग्रेस ने पहले ऐसा कानून बनाया था. तब चर्चा थी और व्यापक रूप से चर्चा थी कि जब इंदिरा जी नहीं रही और उनके बेटे राजीव गांधी जी को ये प्रॉपर्टी मिलने की थी, लिख करके गई थी, तो अब सरकार को पैसा चला ना जाए, प्रॉपर्टी को बचाना था, तो इन्होंने क्या कर दिया, उस प्रॉपर्टी को बचाने के लिए अपनी माता इंदिरा गांधी से मिले हुए पैसों को बचाने के लिए उस समय के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान राजीव गांधी ने अपनी संपत्ति बचाने के लिए पहले जो इनहेरिटेंस कानून था उसको समाप्त किया और खुद के पैसे बचा लिए.
Now, is it good or bad, the inheritance tax? Well, as per a study by Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, what was made to eradicate income inequality, the inheritance tax has made inequality even worse, and only a minor source of revenue comes from inheritance tax in most countries. While some back it, in an old interview which is going viral now, Nikhil Kamath had said that inheritance tax will bring more people under the tax net. So there are mixed opinions about inheritance tax. What is your view? Tell us in the comments, and like, share and subscribe to ET Now for more such news and views.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.